Ako si Tonyo at ito ang Pinoy sa Thailand. Sawadee Krap! For today's video, sasama ko kayo sa aking takbo ngayong araw na ito sa aking favorite playground dito sa train station park or tinatawag nilang Suwan Rot 5. It's time check, it's 18:24, it's 6:24 in the afternoon. Medyo mataas pa ang araw, medyo mainit pa. Itong oras ako lagi tumatakbo dito kapag Sunday. This is my regular Sunday run dito sa train station park. Okay, wala tayong goal ngayon kasi last week nag-run tayo ng 5:30 average pace natin. Medyo napagod ako last Sunday at kahapon galing ko ng fitness. Medyo mahirap din yung training ko kahapon. So today wala tayong goal. Medyo mabagal tayo ngayon. Pace 6:30 to 7 lang at subukan natin makatapos ng 10 kilometers today. Actually, nasa isip ko mag 5 to 7 kilometers lang pero we'll try mag 10 kilometers today. Okay, samahan nyo ako. Stretching muna tayo, warm up tayo bago tayo magsimula tumakbo. Bye! Okay, we'll start now. Pace 6:30 to 7 muna tayo. Okay, I'll see you later. We just finished our first kilometer at pace 6:40 for 7 minutes. Okay na to. Relax lang, chill lang tayo. Wala tayong goal ngayon. Easy pace ko actually, nasa 6 to 6:30. Easy pace na yun. So, update ko kayo mamaya kapag naka first 5 kilometers na. Bye. Water break muna tayo. Just finished 2.45 kilometers. Normally, uminom tayo ng tubig every 2 kilometers para hindi tayo masyadong mapagod. Okay? Sa lahat ng mga runners, importante ang uminom ng tubig every 2 kilometers. Though I finished already 2.45 kilometers kasi yung isang round is 1.2 kilometers. So half na tayo ng 5. Almost half tayo ng 5 kilometers. Okay, I'll see you later. So ito yung ating running track here sa train station park, so Suwan Rot 5 dito sa Chiang Mai. So sabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung isang ikot niya ay 1.2 kilometers. Ayan. Medyo mainit pa panahon. Actually, ang oras na is 6:52, almost 7 PM na. Medyo maliwanag pa at meron pang araw. Kaya uminom din talaga ako ng tubig every 2 kilometers kasi masyadong mainit yung panahon ngayon. Summer na dito sa Thailand. Okay, I'll see you later sa ating first 5 kilometers. Water break tayo at 494 kilometers. So almost finished 5 kilometers for 32 minutes. Hindi tayo masyadong pagod ngayon kasi easy pace lang tayo. Nag-average ako ng 6:30, pace 6:30. Okay, diretso natin ng 10 kilometers. So almost 5 kilometers na tayo. I'll see you later. So we just finished 7 kilometers for the average pace of 6:32 and time na I've been riding for 46 minutes, and time check, it's 7:14 in the evening. Last 3 kilometers, and we finished 10 kilometers today. I'll see you. So we're 9 kilometers now. Last 1 kilometers, and we finished our goal for 10 kilometers today. This is our regular 10-kilometer training here. So I'll see you later sa last kilometer natin. And we're done. Tapos na tayo sa ating 10 kilometers today. Natapos natin siya ng 63 minutes. Hindi tayo nag-sub 1 ngayon. With the average pace of 6.19. Actually, goal ko 6:32.7. Minsan mahirap eh. Lalo maraming tumatakbo. Minsan nagiging competitive tayo, lahat tayong mga Pilipino. Consistent tayo nagte-training since January of this year kasi meron tayong mga pinaghahandaang event. I have event on May and July dito sa northern part ng Thailand. I'll be joining 21 kilometers on May for sub 2 challenge. Actually, they opened a sub 2 challenge. Same with July for Uttaradit Marathon. I'll be joining 21 kilometers and I joined also for sub 2 challenge. So we should finish below 1:59, below 2 hours actually. So that's for sub 2 challenge. And regular tayo nagte-training every Sunday dito sa Train Park. Hanggang sa muli. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye. Follow my vlog, my YouTube channel. Follow, like, and share. This is Tonyo ng Pinoy sa Thailand. Bye. Kap kun kap.